Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a MetaMask wallet using an easy method. MetaMask serves as your secure gateway to decentralized applications and the world of Web3. It's available as a browser extension for popular browsers like Chrome, Firefox, and Brave, and also as a mobile app. Always download directly from the official website or your browser's trusted store to ensure authenticity and protect your assets from malicious fakes. Once installed, open the MetaMask extension and select Create a Wallet. You'll be prompted to agree to the terms of service and then to create a strong, unique password. This password will protect your wallet on your device. The most crucial step is next, writing down your 12-word secret recovery phrase. This phrase is the master key to your funds. Keep it extremely safe and never share it with anyone. After carefully writing down your secret recovery phrase, MetaMask will ask you to confirm it by re-entering the words in the correct order. This step ensures you have accurately recorded it. Remember, anyone with this phrase can access your wallet and all its contents. Therefore, it is paramount to store it securely offline, perhaps in a fireproof safe, and never on your computer or in the cloud. Congratulations! Your MetaMask wallet is now fully set up and ready for you to begin your journey into the decentralized world. You can now easily send and receive cryptocurrencies, connect to various decentralized applications, and manage your digital assets. Always double-check transaction details before confirming, and enjoy the secure and convenient access MetaMask provides to the blockchain ecosystem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.